Now let us clear some confusion. Game sharing tricks, account hacks, and offline activation methods are risky. I do not recommend them. They can lead to account bans and permanent loss. Everything shown in this video is safe, official, and approved by Sony. Before ending, here are some optimization tips. Always keep your PlayStation system updated. Go to Settings, then go to System, then go to System Software, then go to Update. Use stable internet connection. Avoid packet loss and high ping. Restart your router once a week. If your download speed is slow, connect via LAN cable instead of Wi-Fi. Use 2.4 GHz only if 5 GHz is unstable. Now let me be very honest with you. You do not need to spend money on every game. Smart PlayStation users always test before buying. If this video helped you even a little, please like the video. Share it with your friends who use PlayStation. Subscribe to Tech Vibes for more practical and real solutions. If you have any question, confusion, or problem, comment below. I reply within 1 hour. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Listen carefully for the next 10 seconds, because this can save you a lot of money. If you own a PlayStation 5 and you are still paying for every game, you are missing some powerful legal options. Today, I will show you how to play PlayStation 5 games completely free, legally, and without any risk. These methods are 100% authentic, tested by real users, and still working in 2026. This video is made with the help of AI, but every solution here is practical, verified, and effective. Watch the full video, and you will be able to solve this problem by yourself. If you face any difficulty, comment below, and I will reply within 1 hour. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes. Now let us start from the most important and safest method. Free-to-play games on PlayStation 5 are officially supported by Sony. These games do not require any payment and do not require PlayStation Plus subscription. You just need a stable Wi-Fi connection to download them. Some of the most popular free-to-play PlayStation 5 games are Fortnite, Call of Duty Warzone, Apex Legends, Rocket League, Genshin Impact, Warframe, Destiny 2, and Fall Guys. All these games are completely free forever. There is no hidden charge and no trial limit. To download free-to-play games, go to PlayStation Store, then go to Search, then type Free-to-Play. Open any game you like and press Download. Make sure you have enough storage space on your console. At least 100 gigabytes free space is recommended for big multiplayer games. Now here is a powerful tip most people do not know. Free-to-play games do not require PlayStation Plus for online multiplayer. So even if you do not have any subscription, you can still play online with friends. This is officially confirmed by Sony support and PlayStation documentation. Next method is PlayStation Plus game trials. It's fully legal and officially provided by Sony. Trials allow you to play full premium games for a limited time. You'll need a PlayStation Plus premium subscription for this. Usually you get 1 to 5 hours of gameplay, and the best part is all your progress is saved. Popular titles often include big hits like Spider-Man and God of War. It's a great way to try before you buy. Next is monthly free games. Every month, Sony gives full games to all PS Plus members, regardless of their tier. Once claimed, they stay in your library as long as your subscription is active. To claim them, just head to the PlayStation Store. Only the claiming window is limited. Once you have them, they are yours to keep. Don't miss out. Let's talk about the PlayStation Plus game catalog, like Netflix for games. Access hundreds of PS4 and PS5 titles to download and play anytime. To find it, head to the PlayStation Store and select Game Catalog. You can browse by genre or popularity. Next is free weekends. Sony often gives free access to full games for a few days. Check the store on Thursdays for upcoming events. These events are a great way to try before you buy. Progress often carries over if you pick up the full game later. Finally, Share Play. It's a powerful tool that lets you play a friend's game online for up to 60 minutes. Just start a party and select Give Controller to Visitor. Your friend must own the game and have PS Plus. Happy gaming!